Have you heard about the power of affirmations, but you're wondering how to do them in the most effective way? In this video, I'm going to share with you how to do affirmations effectively with 5 tips for positive affirmations. First, make sure that you are stating your affirmations in the positive. Sometimes I see people using not in their affirmations, so they'll say things like, I am not unworthy, or something of that nature. But the thing is, the mind tends not to hear the word not. So it will hear, I am unworthy. So you don't want to do that. I would recommend always using the words I am when you state your affirmations. The words I am can help us start to create a new identity around the positive affirmations that we want to embrace. Number 2, use empowering affirmations that counter the limiting beliefs for you. For example, if you're already aware that you have a limiting belief such as, I am not good enough, or I am not worthy, you might want to try creating an affirmation that is the exact opposite of that phrase. So you would say, I am worthy, I am good enough. It's almost a little bit like if you had a vitamin deficiency, you might want to eat the foods that have some of those vitamins in it. If you have a deficient thought, a negative thought that's draining your energy, you might want to use the phrase that's going to power you up. One note about this, if you have a really strong negative energy around some of these limiting beliefs, you may want to insert the phrase willing. So, for example, if you have a belief that says, I am not good enough, you might want to first try saying, I am willing to see myself as good enough. And this kind of tricks the mind to slowly and subtly start to embrace the positive vibration of that new phrase. If you're not used to that really high vibration of I am good enough, you might resist it a little too much. So using the word willing can help soften it for you. Number 3, make sure that you are actually doing things in your life that help you affirm your new positive affirmation. Again, we'll take the example of I am good enough. Do the things that make you really feel like you are good enough. Are you doing things like waking up on time? Are you doing things like nourishing yourself with good, healthy foods? Are you spending time meditating every day? Are you taking time to relax and take care of yourself? All of the things that make you feel like you're good enough, all of the things that you wish someone else would do for you, start doing for yourself and it will help you affirm your new belief. Number 4, practice affirmations in a way that aligns with your learning style. All of us learn new information in different ways. Some of us are a little bit more visual learners, some of us are more hands-on, and some of us are more audio learners? I'm not sure. Whatever your learning style is, make sure you do your affirmations in that way. So as an example, you can write out your affirmations if you like to learn things in a hands-on way or if you're a little bit more visual. You can also listen to affirmations, and you can do this while you're doing chores or taking a shower. I do this all the time. And if you're a visual learner, you might want to surround yourself with positive affirmations. You might want to write something on a sticky note and stick it on the wall, or write something on the mirror so that every time you go into the bathroom, you see that powerful affirmation. You can also buy products with affirmations on them. I have a Redbubble store, and I'll include the link in the description below, that includes all kinds of self-love, positive, empowering affirmations for you. I have them on backpacks, pillows, coffee mugs, notebooks, you name it. And whenever you look at these things and you glance at them, you'll be reminded of this positive affirmation. And last but most certainly not least is to be gentle on yourself. Positive affirmations are a lot like a mirror. When you say them, what you feel is a reflection of your own beliefs. And so it will show you what you have to work on. I don't want you to think of positive affirmations as a way to beat yourself over the head with positivity, because that is not the most effective way to use affirmations. If you do find that you're trying to establish a more positive feeling in your life and you're trying to create more self-love in your life, I have a self-love coaching program where we can work through some of these things with both affirmations and some other tools, including the internal family systems method. sometimes having the support and accountability of another person to guide you along your way is the most beneficial thing you can have. So if you're interested, check it out in the link below. If you go to ascendingwithalana.com, you'll find out more about my coaching program and you can book a free discovery call with me. And that's it, you guys. Those are my 5 tips on how to do affirmations effectively. If you're looking for more self-love tips like these, be sure to click the subscribe button. I share videos about emotional wellness, creativity, and plant foods to help you rediscover your inner light. My name is Alana Vera, this is Ascending with Alana, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.